I'm going to make revision videos, so everyone will listen very carefully and try to revise all the topics. Yes, children, you all know, children, I had explained each and every chapter which are coming in your exam. So today you all have to write two example from given topics. Okay, children. So today you all are going to write two example for each. Okay, like see, children, there like first you will write to pet animals. What? To pet animals. First, children, what do you mean by pet? Pet animals is animals which are kept for our entertainment or company. Okay, we keep them at homes and take care of them. Okay, children, and pet animals are also called brain booster. It reduces our stress. Okay, children, when we feel stress, okay, it reduce our stress, and because we feel happy when we play with them, children. So like there you will write only, there you all will write only two. Yes, there you will write only two example for each. Like see, pet animals you will write here first. Dog. What? Dog, spelling D-O-G, D-O-G, dog. And second you will write, children, what? Cat, C-A-T, cat, C-A-T, cat. And what do you know, children, about the dog? Yes, dog is a very faithful and loyal animal. Okay, it is what? It is very what I can say, it is very faithful animal, and it teaches us happiness and loyalty. Okay, and it guards our houses also. So dog is also a pet animal. It is very faithful and loyal animal. It can be asked in your exam, which animal is very faithful and loyal. So you will write here dog, D-O-G, dog. Okay, children. Now next one you will write here cat, spelling C-A-T, cat. But children, cat is also a very what? Beautiful pet animal. Its sound is mew, and its baby called kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Okay, children, so you will write here only two example. The first one dog and their cat. Okay, children, and already I taught you many example of pets, so you can write any two. Now next one is here national symbols. Yes, children, what do you know about this? National symbol of a national symbols of a country represent the tradition, history and belief of a nation and its people. Okay, children, so what? It's help evoke feelings and patriotism among the country's citizens and remind them of their nation glory, beauty and rich heritage. So children, what? We should respect our national symbols. So there you will write only two. You can write here mango, because mango is our national fruit. So there you will write mango, spelling M-A-N-G-O, M-A-N-G-O, mango. And second, okay, children, you will write here mango, and second you will write, you can see in this picture, there is banyan, spelling B-A-N-Y-A-N. And what, children? It is our national tree. Banyan is our national tree, and also what? It symbolizes the country's unity. It symbolizes the country unity. Now next, there you will write only two symbols, national symbols. Now there is twin words. Children, you all have to write only two twin words. What do you know about, children? Yes, twin words are also called pairing words. Twin words are also called pairing words. What is the other name of twin words? You will say pairing words. And what? These words will always these words will always go together. Like you can see in this picture, lock and key. Lock and key are pairing word. They always go together. Okay, without key we can't use lock, and without lock we cannot use key. So they are pairing word. They always go together. Okay, so lock and key. First you will write here lock and key. Now second is, you can see this picture, table and chair. Table and chair. Children, when you study at home, you should always use table along with the chair, because it will helps to keep your back straight. Okay, children, so table and chair are pairing word. They always go together. If you have only table, you have not chair, you cannot sit. Okay, you cannot do the studies. So what? Table and chair are pairing word, or you can say twin words. So there you will write only two example. You will write lock and key, and second table and chair. Okay, now move to the next shapes name, children. There you will write only the two shapes name, and already I taught you many shapes name. Yes, you can see in this picture, this is the picture of triangle. Spelling TRIANGLE, triangle. And what do you know, children? How many sides in the shape of triangle? Yes, how many sides in the shape of triangle? 3. 1, 2, 3. Straight line. It is called sides. What? There are 3 sides and 3 corners in the shape of triangle. And what you can see, sandwich is look like a, in which shape it will look? It looks like a triangle shape. Okay, now second you will write square. You can see there is square. Spelling SQUARE. SQUARE, square. And what do you know, children? Square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners, and all the sides are equal. Okay, children. And hanky looks like the shape of square. So there you will write only 2 shapes name. Okay, now next, helpers. What do you know, children? Yes, helpers, they helps in our work. Okay, children, like you can see there, this is the picture of watchman. Okay, and there you will write only 2. Watchman. Spelling WATCHMAN, watchman, children. And what is its work? Yes, it guards our houses at night. And you can see right now I'm just making video. I am your teacher, so teacher teaches us. Okay, teacher teaches us. Okay, so there you will write teacher. Any 2 helpers you can write. Whatever you know, you will write in your copy. Spelling TEACHER. Who teaches you, children? Say teacher. TEACHER, teacher. Now after that, children, next one is here park equipment. You will write only 2 park equipment. You can see there is, you all will write here, this is the picture of slides. Slide, spelling SLIDE. SL, and nicely you will write, my dear, SLIDE, slide. And what, children? Yes, a slide is structured with a smooth sloping. It is smooth sloping surface for children to slide down. It is used to slide down. Okay, children, so there you will write slide. Now second, you can see this is the picture of what? It is a large frame made of bars that children can climb on for enjoyment. So it is what? It is called jungle gym. What will you write? Jungle gym. JUNGLE. JUNGLE, jungle, and GYM, gym. So children, there you will write only 2 park equipment. And already I have explained many park equipment like jungle gym, seesaw, slide, swing. Okay, so only there you will write 2. Okay, my dear. Now then after, sense organ. Yes, children, its sense organs help us to know around our world. Okay, and what do you know about, children, about the sense organ? Yes, our 5 senses help us to understand what's happening around us. Okay, and so the organs for the 5 sense organs are eye, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, children, so there you will write only 2 sense organ. We have 5 sense organ, but there you will write only 2. You can see in this picture. Yes, nose, 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 and our nose helps us to smell the things. And now second is, there you will write ears, 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 and our ears help us to hear music and sound, children. And what? We should not listen loud music, children. Okay, now next